Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 8, that is Mapping Your Way. Chapter number 8, Mapping Your Way. This chapter, Mapping Your Way, is based on direction test. Now, Ashi is going to India Gate to see the Republic Day parade with the other children of her school. So, as you all know that India Gate is in Delhi. As the children settle down, they hear something about India Gate on the loudspeaker. To the right of the president is the India Gate. This was built in memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. There are lots of people sitting on both sides of Rajpath, the main road along which the parade passes. Children are talking about the buildings they can see around them. So here is in the picture. Here this is the India Gate and the boy is saying that, "Look Aditi, this is India Gate." Girl is saying that, "Sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate, so that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. Right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan." It means where are the children? Here we will find on the map. Now here is a photograph taken from a helicopter. You can see Rajpath, the road which joins India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Mark where on Rajpath will Aditi be. Okay, so we will definitely mark that, but before that we have to observe and understand this map first and also this picture. On the map here we have a Rashtrapati Bhavan, and on the real photograph where is the Rashtrapati Bhavan? This is Rashtrapati Bhavan. And one more thing I want to tell you about Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the official residence of the President of Government of India. Now come to Rajpath. So what is Rajpath? In the photograph here you can see this is the road and which is joining the Rashtrapati Bhavan through India Gate to Major Dhyan Chand Central Stadium. This is the most important role in India. It is the place where annual Republic Parade takes place on 26th January. Now come to India Gate. So in this map, where is the India Gate? This circle is India Gate. Let's know some more things about India Gate. As you all know that is in Delhi. It was built in the memories of 70,000 soldiers of the British Indian Army who died in between 1914 to 1921 in the First World War. Here backside of the India Gate is canopy, and after it there is a national stadium, but it is picture not showing. In the map it is showing here this is national stadium. Now match the map and the photo. First, have you seen a map of a city? Yes, we have seen. Look at map 1. We have seen already. Match it with the photo and find out where India Gate is. Draw it on the map. We have already find out. Where is the India Gate? this is the India Gate, and in map this is the India Gate and match. And here this is canopy, and in map this is canopy. You can match it if you want. Second, some roads are shown in this part of the map. Look for them in the photo. You will definitely find out them. Third, name roads that you will cross on your way from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. So, let's find out some roads name. Come to the map. This is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. So, what are the roads that we will cross? First Rafi Marg, second Janpad, and third one is Mansingh Road. And children were sitting, they were saying that if they were watching the parade, okay, where will the parade? In this Rajpath. So Rashtrapati Bhavan is just right side. So the children should be here this way. This is left side and this is right side, and this is right side. So the children must be right side of the Rajpath. Why? Because the girl was saying my right side is Rashtrapati Bhavan. So the children will be here. Fourth, look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it in the photo? Yes, we have already do it. So here is the National Stadium, and in this photo we cannot see because it is cut. Now the central hexagon. If we zoom in to look more closely at one part of the map, it looks like this. This is map 2. So let's try to understand which is central hexagon. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This shape has 6 sides. It means this is our central hexagon. And inside we have 2 things. First is canopy and second one is India Gate. So this star is India Gate and some roads are here. Mansingh Road, Akbar Road, Rajpath, Janpad, Ashoka Road. These are roads. And here we can see Children's Park. Okay. Now look at the shape of the yellow area. Have you seen this shape before? Yes, I have seen this shape. How many sides does it have? It has 6 sides. This place is called the central hexagon. Now find out from the map. First, if you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would Children's Park be? If we are walking on Rajpath, after India Gate, on which side would Children's Park area? You can see we are coming from Rajpath Road and here is India Gate and this is the Children Park. So definitely Children Park will be our right side. Second, which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? A. Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. B. Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road, the angle away from India Gate. And C. Janpath and Rajpath. So here is Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. It is making which angle? This three types of angle: right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. And this is acute angle. And next one is Janpath and Rajpath. This angle, Janpath and Rajpath. And this angle is right angle. And third one is Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. This is Ashoka Road and this is Mansingh Road. And this angle is obtuse angle. Acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. And as you all know, acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. And obtuse angle is the greatest angle. So here you can see the Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road is the greatest angle in these roads. Answer B. Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road. Third, which of the above pairs of roads cut at right angles? We have to find the right angle. It is clear that Rajpath and Janpath road is making right angle. So in this way, map 2 is covered.